Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Twitch channel verification and stream key step by step clearly. To activate Twitch channel verification and obtain your stream key, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Twitch website by entering www.twitch.tv in the address bar. If you're not already logged in, click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials and click login to access your account. Once logged in, click on your profile icon located in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, locate and click on the Channel and Videos tab. Scroll down to find the Channel Verifications section. Read through the verification requirements carefully. To begin the verification process, ensure your email address is linked to your account. If it's not, click on Email in the Settings menu and follow the prompts to add your email. Once your email is verified, return to the Channel and Videos tab. Next, find the Stream Key section. Click on the Show Key button to reveal your stream key. Take note of this key, as you will need it for streaming software. For added security, you can click Reset to regenerate your stream key if necessary. Remember, keep your stream key confidential, as sharing it can allow others to stream on your channel. After retrieving your stream key, you're ready to start streaming on Twitch. Open your preferred streaming software and navigate to its settings. Look for the section labeled Stream or Broadcast Settings. In the Stream settings, select Twitch as your streaming platform. Paste your stream key into the designated field. Save your settings, and you're all set to go live. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.